Welcome back to the Mega Map series that we've been working on this YouTube channel, and today I need to make some bridges, okay? As you can see, there is a harrowing gap between these two islands, and a bridge or two would be pretty nice. Now, I did make bridges before, and they looked like this. Hey, those are bad. So, we're gonna have to remake the bridges. We're gonna do those today, and hopefully, they look awesome. Also, I've put all these videos into a playlist, so if you want to check them out, it's very easy to watch through the whole thing. Now to the bridge. So I'm going to build it over here on this little flat spot, and then I'll just kind of scale it up or down, depending what we need. Or we'll do it like this. I have a perfect idea. We'll grab the halfway point, scale this in, bring it down. Now, I don't want anything in the actual middle, but it's gonna help. So now we have 3 middle points, or divided into 3 sections at least. And for these, I want to bring them down and make them gray. Let's bring this out some on both sides, duplicate it, and then center it on the other one as well, right there. Let's make this like a pink so we can just easily identify it. All right, guys, so now that we have this, we need some more support beams. I'm gonna grab this, drag it to the end, and these are gonna be on both sides. And I did leave a little edge at the end of each of these. I may like get rid of that. I may keep it. I'm genuinely not sure what I want to do for that just yet, but we can grab this and start our next little adventure here. I want to do something like this, bring it in, and then all the way across the bridge. Now this here is going to be red. We're gonna go for this type of red for now. Actually, hold on, this isn't a very low poly build. I'm gonna go, let's do maroon but brighter. We're gonna try this type of red for now. I'm gonna duplicate this and drag it down to about here, I guess. Maybe up once. There we go. And now in this, I'm going to have the little zigzag pattern. So let's make this in the center here and here like a square. Rotate this about 5 degrees. Scale it up. Then duplicate, rotate. Ooh, do I want to do X's or V's? I feel like V would work better. We're going to do V's. So we're going to grab this. Let's set these to that maroon color because I think a little bit of color separation is fine. And now we just keep duplicating these and bring them across like this for the whole thing, and the bottom of the bridge should be pretty much done then. All right, now that we have that portion of the bridge done, it's starting to take shape and kind of come together. I'm liking it. What can I say? I do want to grab these and bring them to the top of the bridge just as another way to add a bit of detail within it and maybe make it look a little bit cooler. I'm gonna keep them sync just a little, and I think actually, do I want the sidewalk or do I want it like, I'm kind of liking this. I'm gonna keep it like this for now. Now we're gonna take the pads that we made earlier here and build up some better support beams on them. So I feel like they should probably be a little bit out from the actual bridge. Something like this. Let me duplicate that and put it onto this one, because the support beams are going to be on the side of the bridge. And I think I'm going to just grab this, put it right here, make it a lot bigger, and do something like this. So the first one, let's go up to here, bring this down a little bit, scale it in, bring it out, duplicate it again. Something like this is just a really cool idea, and the bigger ones are going to be the lighter shade, and the smaller ones are going to be the darker shade. I think that's tall enough. All right, guys, now that we have the 4 structural support pillars, this bridge is actually coming along very, very nicely. As you can see, I am a professional artist, and yeah. So I need to do cables. So there is what we need to do next. I'm not exactly sure how we're going to do this portion. Yes, we can use Archimedes, and how are we going to get it to line up perfectly? No better way than to start, I guess. Let's hop into here. We could do really dark red, or we could just go black. Let's try like a darker dark red. Pretty much black, and then try Archimedes, I guess. Archimedes has been really confusing me recently. Okay, here we go. This is good news. Let's do -10. Now we just have to grab this line right here, which we made with only 3 parts. Pretty happy about that. Drag those parts over to here. Nice. And then we just grab the ends like this and this. Duplicate those. Drag them to here. Looks like we'll have to rework end ones just a little bit. Ooh, let's just do them straight and then throw them on the other side. This bridge is coming together so much better than the last one did. Look at this, guys. Now we can remove our little pink panel here. And all we have left to do is the actual, like the bars coming down. Now I'm gonna gonna assume there should be one at each bend. I want to make them a little bit thicker this way so you can actually see them. That'll work. And I'm just gonna put one of them at each bend. So there will be 2 on the big ones, maybe 3. 2 actually looks like it works pretty good. There we go. Now let's grab all of these and throw them on the other end as well. Control D, Control R twice, drag them over. Now it is gonna be very easy to make sure they line up the same as the other side. As long as it's not poking out either side, it works. This is looking up pretty good. I do think these need to come out a little bit. So I'm gonna set this to 2 studs, move those twice, and then the same for over here. There we go. And let's grab all of those, and then we'll use building tools once again to scale everything up at once. Perfect. Now guys, look at this bridge in comparison to this. You see this weak bridge? And now we have this. This is not exactly lining up how I wanted it to. It literally is just being a bully. So I've tried a ton of different movement like sets all the way down to 0.125 as you can see, and it's just not lining up. So what I'm gonna do is build a little grate over the top each side, and that'll just kind of disguise that line right there. And guys, just like that, the bridge build is in the map. And guys, that is gonna wrap it up for today. If you did enjoy this video and you want to see more content like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.